Hello! Ayan, good afternoon and good morning and good evening, Pinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Ayan, today's video guys, nandito ako sa inyong harap at mag-ano pala ako, greetings. Great. Ayan, Mami on Love, happy birthday to you. And more birthdays to come. Good health lang always. Don't forget always pray kay God. And mag-iingat po tayo palagi kung saan po tayo ngayon sa ating mga trabaho. Ayan, walang mawalan ng pag-asa. Ito lang yung pangarap natin. Diba, no? Stay healthy, ayan, stay pretty. O, diba, nakasama yung langaw. Basta yan na, happy birthday. Nandito ako sa kusina kasi may, kaya maraming langaw, nagluto. Ayan. Basta happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.